Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this lecture, we will discuss about the steps in heterogeneous catalytic process. So, first of all, we should know about the active site on catalyst. What is active site on catalyst? So, active site is nothing but it is a point on catalyst surface that can form a strong chemical bond between adsorbed molecule. So this is adsorbed molecule and this is active site. It is a point on catalyst which form chemical bond between the adsorbed molecule and active site. So actually active site is nothing but these are the point which adsorbed the molecule. So these are the active sites. Similarly, suppose this is another active sites. So it is a point which is responsible for the adsorption of molecule. So we have already discussed this one. For supported catalyst, there are some active sites like these are vanadium pentaoxide and this is also vanadium pentaoxide. These are the supported catalyst. So this is silica. Suppose silica which is support and there is active site. This is active site which is responsible for the oxidation of sulfur dioxide to form sulfur trioxide in the contact process. So these are the vanadium pentoxide and silica. Now in this lecture we will discuss steps in the heterogeneous catalytic process. So there are various steps in the catalytic process. We will discuss these process one by one. These steps. Step number one, diffusion of component A in liquid film around catalyst to its external surface. So diffusion of component A through liquid film around the catalyst. In the second step, pore diffusion. So the pore diffusion of component A inside the pore of catalyst particle. The third step is the adsorption of component A on the interior surface of catalyst pore. The fourth step is the surface reaction where the component A will convert it to the component B. So component A will convert it into component B. The step number 5 is the desorption. So it is the desorption of component B which is formed in this step. Desorption of component B from interior surface of catalyst. In step number 5. In step number 6, the diffusion of B from interior of pore to the surface of catalyst. Again diffusion of B from interior pore to the surface of catalyst. And in the last step, mass transfer of component B from surface of catalyst to the bulk fluid the around the catalyst. So mass transfer from surface of catalyst to bulk fluid through film, through liquid fluid or through liquid film which are around the catalyst particle. We will discuss these steps in this figure. This is the bulk of A. These are molecule of A bulk region. In the first step, the component A will transfer through liquid film which are around the catalyst. This is liquid film. This is the liquid film around the catalyst. Liquid film around the catalyst. Liquid film. This is liquid film around the spherical catalyst particle. In the second step, this is step number 1. In step number 2, pore diffusion. This is component A will pass through the pore of the catalyst. Step number 2. In step number 3, here the adsorption of A will take place on this side. This is active side. So A will adsorb. Here adsorption of A will take place. This green, this is A molecule. So this is step number 3. And this is for diffusion step number 2 and the adsorption is step number 3. And step number 4, the A on the surface of catalyst will convert it into B. Here reaction will take place and B, this green one is B molecule. So A is converted into B. This is step number 4. And step number 5, desorption. This once this B is formed on the surface, this B will dissolve from the surface. So this is the desorption process. This is step number 5. In step number 6, the again the pore diffusion will take place. So this molecule, this B molecule, will transfer from this place to through this pore, through the pore volume. So it will again this will be the pore diffusion of component B from this place to this place. So this is again pore diffusion, step number 6. In step number 7, from the surface of catalyst, the molecule B will transfer through the bulk of the bulk fluid. This is the bulk fluid and this is component B. So in step number 7, from the surface of catalyst, B will transfer to the fluid, to the bulk fluid through this layer. This is the liquid film. So these are the, this is catalyst particle. This is the catalyst particle. Here you can see catalyst particle. This is the pore. This is the pore volume, pore and catalyst, and this is the liquid film around the catalyst. And there are various pore in the catalyst, porous catalyst, because we have already discussed in the property of catalyst that it is high porosity. So it is high specific surface area like meter square per second per gram. It is up to 1500 square meter per gram per activated carbon, etc. So this was the steps which are involved in the adsorption process. Thank you very much for your attention.